Welcome to the Mr. Smart Maths channel, and my name is Mr. Smart. In this video we're going to be looking at cube roots, and a cube root is the inverse of cubing. Okay, so let's have a look at what cubing is, just to remind you. So let's look at this function machine. We're going to put into this function machine the number 6, and the function is to cube it. So that means to multiply the number by itself, and then by itself again. So we've got 6 multiplied by 6, which is 36, multiplied by 6, and that gives me an answer of 216. Okay, so 6 cubed is 216, and cube rooting will return me back to the number that cubed to make that number in the first place. So if 216 goes into my function machine, the cube root of 216 is 6. Okay, let's have a look at a few examples here. So find these cube roots, and on the right hand side here you'll see, just to help us, we've got the first 10 cube numbers. Okay, so 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, and so on. So hopefully you can see on the right hand side there, the cube root of 125 then is 5. For B, the cube root of 64 is 4, because the fourth cube number is 64. The cube root of 512 is 8, because 8 cubed is 512. And then finally, the cube root of 1000 is 10, and that's because 10 cubed is 1000. Okay, so let's have a look at these questions. Which whole numbers do these cube roots lie in between? Right, so in this question, we're looking for the 2 whole numbers in which the cube root of that number will lie in between. So the cube root of 200. Now I've highlighted in yellow 125 and 216. The number 200 will lie somewhere in between those two numbers. 5 cubed is 125, 6 cubed is 216. So the cube root of 200 must be between 5 and 6. Okay, let's have a look to see where the cube root of 16 lies between. And 16 lies between 8, which is 2 cubed, and 27, which is 3 cubed. So the cube root of 16 must lie between 2 and 3. Finally, the cube root of 906. So we've got 906, just highlighted in pink there, is between 729 and 1000. That's 9 cubed and 10 cubed. So the cube root of 906 must lie between 9 and 10. Be sure to check out the Mr. Smart Maths channel on YouTube, and don't forget the website mrsmartmaths.com. See you again soon.